Good.
Hey, man.
Hey,
What you
what's
up
up? Just check out some of these pictures from the party last night.
to? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. Hard to remember it. I'll check out that one.
Oh, wow.
Wait. Is that what I think it is?
Oh.
What is? How could you? Oh, dude, did you hear that?
There's the door.
Dude, something.
What do we do?
I don't know, man.
I'm freaking out, man.
Calm
I'm
down, man.
freaking out. Like, oh my god, I'm freaking out.
Pull yourself together, man. You gotta pull yourself together.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna go to the door, see who it is, and do this together.
Alright. Be safe, man. Be safe.
Hey, what do you want?
Found your iPod.
You found my iPod. Okay, yeah. Thanks, man, but come on in.
Can I borrow that cameraman?
No.
I
Why?
really need to borrow that cameraman.
I said no. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here.
Get against the wall.
Dude, did you do that?
Yeah? So what?
Dude!
Revenge.